There are two ways to count numbers in Korean. That is Korean way and Chinese way. Korean way is used when you say how many pieces are there, an age, an hour, so many places. Today, I'd like you to count number 1 to 20 in Korean way. Let's start from 1 to 10. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Read them again. Repeat after me. 따라 하세요. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. How was it? Is it simple? Please keep practicing until to say like this. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Can you try to read reverse? 열, 아홉, 여덟, 일곱, 여섯, 다섯, 넷, 셋, 둘, 하나. There's a one tip to memorize the number. That is, ask yourself what's number in Korean. Okay, it's your turn. 네, 아주 잘했어요. Very good. Now, let's count 10 to 20 in Korean. Listen carefully. 잘 들으세요. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, 10 to 20 is simple. 열 is 10 and add 1, 2, 3, 4 following. Let's read together. 따라 하세요. 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, it's your turn. Here we go. 잘했습니다. Good job. Well done. Then let's count from 1 to 20. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. 열하나, 열둘, 열셋, 열넷, 열다섯, 열여섯, 열일곱, 열여덟, 열아홉, 스물. 잘했어요. 대단해요. Great job. You can find number on the screen and can you tell me what the number in Korean? Okay, 잘했어요. 일곱. Another one. Tricky, huh? 네, 맞아요. That's correct. 셋. Another one. 스물. 잘했어요. Right, very good. Okay, this is another game. You can see the letter, then please guess what the number is. Okay, here we go. Yes, 4. 잘했어요. Well done. Yes, 2. Very good. That's tricky, huh? Yes, right. 16. Very good job. How was it? Is it easy? Why did you watch this video again? Practice again and again, then you can speak Korean. Thank you for watching and see you next time. 감사합니다. 다음에 봐요.